Good morning mga guys, mga katiyoy, mga friend.
How's your life?
Breakfast na naman tayo, ayan. Nagluto lang tayo ng ginisang gulay. Vegetable.
Anong oras kaya po? Anong oras kaya po ba tayo nagtinda?
Repolyo, carrots, capsicum,
Anong oras po ba tayo nagtinda?
merong beans, merong
Sarap ang niluto niyo.
Doritos.
Sarap.
sarap, no? So, walang halong karne. Ginisa-gisa lang natin yan.
Maganda dyan.
Kunting
Kasi paminta lang yan.
butter lang. Ginisa ko lang sa butter. May paminta, may kunting soy sauce, may kunting oyster sauce. Solve na.
Balik pa rin na. Labi!
Sabi, tayo. Tapos meron tayong brown bread.
Dito, may chocolate dito. May chocolate.
Kahapon.
Hindi ka dito?
Kahapon yan, di ba?
Yung ano.
Ah, Tapos meron tayong espresso coffee.
Espresso coffee.
Si, espresso coffee. Ito na rin yung ating baon mamaya. Ganito rin yung ating kakainin mamayang tanghalian. Tapos.
Yung cellphone there sa hole. There sa hole on screen.
Yung sa huli ba?
Ha? Style? Hole, lagi.
This one no squander because fingerprint.
Fingerprint.
I like fingerprint.
Ha?
I like fingerprints. Put it down machine, coffee. Nice shoes. Nice shoes. Nice shoes. Nice shoes. Filipinos too much problem with shoes. You realize you're putting on for expensive shoes. Eh?
Wala.
Filipinos are very good people. They are putting money on themselves, not the ladies, like Nigerians. Nigerians, they are supporting ladies too much than themselves. They are eating badly, they are spending too much on ladies.
So,
They are not thin. They are not developed themselves. They are developing ladies.
ingat ka? Not good.
They are respecting ladies. Ladies, they are
Tapo,
asking
dulay.
money. That's why many ladies, they are like Nigerian.
Pwede man.
Because of support, they are supporters. This guy buying a nice phone.
Samsung.
Allah, this phone, you see my mobile, this is going out plug. This my mobile's camera is better than 14 Pro Max. Like the 14 Pro Max is camera.
Samsung wala?
Because I have 14 Pro Max and this 20 Ultra. But this 20 Ultra's camera is better than 14 Pro Max. I have phone.
Samsung.
iPhone is good in security. Good in security. But in camera, Samsung is better.
Samsung. Very clear. Very clear. And the color is alive. Still.
Wala ko may
Really
init.
alive.
Wala ko may init ka.
Alive Samsung also, no? But the battery,
Sarap mga ka-TV friend, oh. Lasang-lasa yung ano,
the battery is not
yung
working.
butter.
But I still,
Yung bawang kasi ginisa
if
ko
I
sa
have
butter.
money, I will change battery.
iPhone is better.
I will bring it if I fix. Maybe 100 the battery.
I'm going to buy 24.
This one all good. Very clear.
Zooming, you can zoom.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice in zooming.
Hmm.
There's a challenge now. iPhone and Samsung, they have challenge.
And now I don't like iPhone because they're changing charger. Before I like iPhone because if the iPhone have been having different charger,
Always change.
always different. Now they are having same charger as Samsung.
Soon the charger of iPhone will become top only.
See?
Before type like this, small one.
Small one, yes. That one different. It was very nice charger, that one. Everyone is saying iPhone charger. Yeah, I have iPhone charger. But now, Samsung are charging iPhone. Samsung is also charging iPhone.
Safe.
For 15 Pro Max.
You know, maybe we didn't know Samsung and iPhone will become joined together.
That one is changing charger, doing big mistake.
Now the charger of iPhone is Type-C.
That one very good.
I have iPhone 4S before, the small one.
That one 14 Pro? That
4S. iPhone 4S, like this one.
Small.
Easy pack.
But me, since I started watching maybe small, big mobile, I don't want small mobiles. Always I want big mobile. Pro Max.
O boss, mga ka-TV friend,
May dalawang order.
thanks for watching.